Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix volume problem after iOS 18 update. For example, if you have recently installed the latest version of iOS 18 and after that you see problems related to the volume in your device, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected, which means your device is not playing with any kind of Bluetooth device. Moreover, you can also check for the volume slider whether it is working properly or not. So in this way you can simply check for the volume slider. Moreover, you can click on focus button, and you have to make sure that if you do not have turned on the do not disturb mode, because if you have turned on this do not disturb mode, it cancels many voices while you turn this on. And after that you can also check whether your silent button is on or off, so you can simply check for that. Moreover, you can simply use the volume button and check whether they are working properly or not. So in this way you can simply use the volume button, and you can increase or decrease volume using the volume button, and after that you can simply make sure that they are working perfectly. So you can simply check for that. Moreover, you can simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply click on reset all settings, and after that all of the settings related to volume and other settings will be reset. And if the problem is setting, then all will be set to default. Moreover, you can also go to setting, and after that you can simply check for sound and haptics, and after that you can simply check whether they are working properly or not. So in this way you can simply check for the volume. So after that what you have to do, you have to again click on setting, and this time you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 18 update. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.